A lot of time and hard work goes into prepping a Thanksgiving meal. In fact, if my mom's stressed, the only thing she lets me touch are the rolls. This year, you can change the amount of effort it takes. Ashley Barnes is here in the Price Chopper kitchen to show us how to save both time and money around the holidays, which I think everybody would be on board with.
Absolutely. I mean, who is already thinking Thanksgiving is next week? I mean, it's already here. It's crazy. We got to start planning. And yeah, we're here with some ideas that we have for you. We have different meals put together in our delis that you can order. This right here is one of those examples. We have about 10 different options, anywhere from serving 2 people up to 18 people.
Okay, and what are some of those available meals? I think this one has a pretty fun special name for the holidays.
Yeah, so this is the Gatherings turkey meal right here. So this is going to serve up to 10 people. Okay, so with this, you are going to get a 12 to 14 pound roasted or smoked turkey, and then you're going to get 5 sides, okay, and that's going to each be 3 pounds. So you're getting a total of 15 pounds in sides, and that doesn't include the gravy, that is separate.
So we've got 5 sides right here.
Correct, and I chose this from a list of 18 options. So this isn't your only option for your sides. You get to choose from 18 different sides.
Okay, so what do we have here? We got some stuffing, familiar with that.
Yeah, so we have our stuffing, our mashed potatoes, and gravy. This meal comes with 2 pounds of gravy, and then we have our green beans, mac and cheese, and then that's a cranberry orange salad. And then with this meal, you also get to choose a premium dessert, and that's gonna come from your bakery, and that right here is your caramel apple pie.
And this one looks like we could dive right in. Even this morning,
really
I don't care. Desserts before noon.
Yeah, with ice cream.
Okay, and then you mentioned it's a list of 18. So what are some of the things you didn't bring out here today?
Well, you know, it's kind of the same type of thing. It just includes either more sides, less sides. I mean, so it's all around the same type of thing. Some come with ham, and it's the same thing, but more or less.
Okay, and then how many servings will these actually go to?
Well, we say typically, I mean, when you talk about sides, you're talking 2 to 4 ounces per person. Now, when you order that with us, we are going to help you with all of that. I mean, our first question is, how many people are you looking to serve? And then we're going to start talking about the right packaged meal for you.
Okay, and then what are some of your favorite things from Price Chopper?
Well, I mean, gosh, I mean, talking about the bakery, I mean, this is a huge holiday for the bakery with sweets. I mean, who doesn't show up to Thanksgiving and not have cake, pumpkin roll, pie, anything like that? So, I mean, I always kind of tend to go towards the sweets. And we brought kind of an example of that as well, something extra that's different from the meals that you can order. Yeah, and those would be our trays.
These glitter cookies too. How do you order those?
Yeah, so these are a special order with how they're decorated, and these are a little bit more Christmassy to show you. We can do that as well, but these are a special order. We always have ice sugar cookies out in our bakery, but if you want a certain design like this, certain colors like this, you would need to either call or come in and order these through us.
Okay, then for those appetizers, what if we want one of these party trays? How do we do that?
Yeah, so same thing. We have these available all the time. This is not just a holiday special, and these, they come in all different sizes. We have small, medium, large. This is one of our larger servings, and when we talk about this, we say about 5 ounces per person, and I know that might be like, what is 5 ounces? But those are things we're going to help you out with when you order it.
Okay, and we only have a couple seconds left, but when is the deadline to order for Thanksgiving? Because some people want to take this offer.
Yeah, absolutely. If you can get in this weekend, that would be fantastic, but definitely by Monday.
Okay, and she also wanted to let you know it's probably 2 or 3 hours prep time once you do get home. But thank you so much, Ashley. For more great ideas, fresh dish recipes, just visit mypricechopper.com. You can also find demo videos with extra how-to help.